This is a upper back, mid back, and lower back strengthening exercise. So you want to start out by laying face down on any sort of table, the ground, any sort of bed or couch. All you're going to do is with your arms at your side, you're not using your hands at all, you're only using your back. You're going to start by extending your head and then bringing your shoulder blades together, almost like you're trying to pinch a pencil in between your shoulder blades. And then you're going to continue to raise your chest off the ground. You want to keep your hips on the ground of the table. You're going to end up just doing these as reps. You're not going to hold these at all. So you just go up to as high as you can and then go back down. You're not holding at all. You're going to do 10 reps of this. You don't want it to be painful. You can push into the struggle just a little bit, but not very much. You just want to do a nice, good number that's not making your back sore or painful at all.